How to create a blog with AI? That's the question every blogger and writer is searching now. In today's blogging tutorial guide, we will learn how to create a blog using AI that is SEO optimized, human-like and ready to rank on Google and AI searches. Let's be real. Everyone wants to start blogging, but no one wants to spend hours on keyword search, content writing and SEO optimization. You have probably searched for how to create a blog using AI and watched multiple blogging tutorial guides, but still feel confused about creating content that actually ranks. Like, how do I find low competition keywords? How do I write SEO friendly blog posts? Can AI content really rank on Google? And because of all these questions, you keep delaying your blogging journey. But in this video, you will learn how to create a blog with AI by doing proper keyword research, SEO friendly structure, images, optimized heading, and content that is actually ready to rank. So first we will go to Google and search Definite SEO. Once your site is open, you can click on AI SEO Writer. You will see an option to log in and sign up. If you are new, you can sign up. I have already signed up. You will get around 2500 free credits which you can use to create content. Step 1. Select post type. You will see multiple options like post, page, product, category and more. Since we want to create blog, we will simply select post and click on next. Step 2. Tell AI what to work with. Here you need to enter topic. For example, I will enter the topic how to create a blog post using AI. Then I will click next. Step 3. Keyword search. This tool automatically generates relevant keyword for you. You can edit these keywords. You can either keep the suggested ones or add your own custom keywords like create a blog with AI and other related terms. You can also regenerate keywords using AI. This keyword search feature is very important because it plays very big role in SEO. Next, step 4. Additional context. Next, you can choose tone type of your content, whether you want to sound it professional, friendly, casual or conversational. I personally prefer conversational because it feels more natural. You can also select target audience, writing style, so the blog is created exactly the way you want. Next, step 5. Select field. After that, you will see option to select what field you want the AI to generate. You can choose things like post title, full content, meta title, meta description, keywords, schema markup, and even social media titles. This means you can create a blog that is SEO ready. Next, step 6. Content structure. Now this one is the most important step. The content structure. Here you can decide how long blog should be, whether you want table of contents, FAQs, summaries, pro tips or even external links. This helps you to create a blog that looks professional and more engaging for readers. Next, step 7. AI output language. Then in this step you can select language. This tool supports multiple languages. You can easily write blog with AI in any language you prefer. Step 8. Custom instructions. After that you get an option to add custom instructions. This is where you guide AI, like telling it keep the content simple, add example, make it more SEO friendly. This step helps you to get more personalized results. Next, step 9. Generate and review. And finally, all you have to do is click on AI generate button. And once your content is ready, you can even download it in multiple format like PDF, Docs, Markdown, CSV, HTML or even full HTML page. So now let me show you the final step how you can actually use this content. First, simply click on download doc options and just like that my entire content gets downloaded. Now when I open it, this is what I get, a fully SEO optimized article ready to use, and the best part, I don't need to edit anything. You can see here my content already ready, a proper table of content, well structured headings, everything is clean, organized and ready to read. You can see it includes FAQ section, conclusion section. It's a complete SEO ready blog post. And here comes the real magic. I don't need to write meta titles, meta descriptions, social media tags, because the AI has already generated everything for me. Even the keywords are pre-generated. And this is the most powerful feature. AI SEO Writer gives me a schema markup code, which means I don't need to do anything technical like coding or hire a developer. Just copy, paste and done. Now all I have to do is copy this content and paste into my website and it's ready to publish. That's how you can easily create a blog with AI, from keyword search to fully SEO optimized article in just few clicks. And thanks for watching.